If you've just installed a Hamilton Motor Company replacement screen or upgrade module in your Lexus, and you're wondering why audio is not playing, even though you're seeing it playing on your phone, I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you how to configure it properly. First of all, you want your phone to be connected to your new Bluetooth network. If you have a Lexus screen, it's going to start with BNR. If you have a Lexus module, it'll most likely start with CAR, C-A-R. Now, you don't want to rename these networks. It's pretty important that you just leave it the way it was from when you got it from us. So don't change the name of the network. You want to make sure that your factory Bluetooth is off. With our systems, you'll no longer be using your factory Bluetooth. If you connect via your factory Bluetooth, it can kind of cause strange glitches with your audio. It will sort of work, but it's not the ideal solution. You want to be only connected to your new Bluetooth network. Now, if audio is not playing when you have music playing on your phone, what is most likely the case is that your car is not in the right mode. This 2013 Lexus GS allows me to show both the new CarPlay and the factory screen side by side, so this car is really easy for you to get a visualization. If you were in a Lexus IS, say, or an RX, and you were only seeing CarPlay without audio playing, you might wonder, well, why is my audio not playing? Your car could be in the AM mode without you even knowing it. You have this button on the steering wheel labeled mode. What you want to do with audio playing is push the mode button until you hear it coming out of your speakers. It will come out of your speakers when you're on the aux mode. Many Lexuses will also show you on the dash when you get to aux mode, it'll pop up on the dash and say aux mode. With your car in aux mode, now our system can play audio. The Lexus has a few different modes. It has AM, it has FM, if equipped, it has XM, it also has factory Bluetooth. You'll never want to use factory Bluetooth, but if you do want to use FM or XM so that you can be listening to the radio while CarPlay is showing you navigation, you can also use the mode button to do that. If you have any questions or need any help, you can give us a call, 919-858-2890, and our North Carolina-based tech support team is here to help.